Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the best tool that can help you when you are trying to change the upholstery and the fabric of your chairs, where you need to push in tacks and upholstery nails. Let's go see the video. When we want to replace the upholstery of our furniture, we usually have to use these kinds of upholstery nails or tacks to fix the upholstery onto the furniture. Now, hammering these nails into the wood of the furniture is very difficult. It's very difficult to do it without hammering your fingers or getting the nail crooked and so on. To solve that problem, we have the option of using a tool to hold it, but of course then we have the problem that we have to pull the fabric to get it nice and tight, and we'll also need a hand for the hammer and a hand for holding it. We need three hands, and we can't have three hands. So either we get someone to help us, or we use a special instrument. Now, this tool is a steel bar of about 15 millimeters diameter. In this bar, we must do a cut at the end, about 4 millimeters from the end. Two cuts with our grinder, two cuts that should sum up to around 5-6 millimeters wide, which is equivalent to the size of the head of our upholstery nails. The first cut of the grinder goes down to practically about 4 millimeters from the edge of the steel bar. The other cut of the grinder doesn't go so far down, so it leaves a round cut there that should be equivalent to the contour of the head of the nail. Okay? Then, once we have those cuts done, we have to do a long lengthwise cut along the middle of the other cut and go down this side in a diagonal way so we don't cut this part much, and we get down to about half the diameter of the steel bar. And if we get half the steel bar here, inside it will be a little bit higher up than half the diameter. In that way, we are sure that the position of the tack will be the right position for pushing it into the wood. Okay? This way we ensure also that the tack will enter the wood straight and not crooked. To use this tool, one must practice the technique. It's not easy. First of all, you put the tack in. You put your finger on the head of the tack so it won't move, and then you put the tack in the position it should go. You pull the fabric to tighten it, and then you push down. But you don't push down along the length of the bar. You push down along the angle of the. You don't push down along the length of the bar. You push down along the angle of the tack. Okay? So we pull the fabric, we push it there, and we push down, making it go into the wood as much as possible with the force of our hands. Then we take off the tool and we end the job hammering it in with our hammer. After all, it's not so difficult. Having the right tool helps to finish off the job well. Well, I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.